Welcome back to our channel, where we provide tips and advice on various freelance careers. Today, we're going to talk about how to become a freelance transcriber at Multilingual Connections. If you have excellent listening skills and a keen eye for detail, this might just be the perfect job for you, where you can work remotely and do it on your own time. So, let's dive right in. Multilingual Connections is a global language solutions agency based in the Chicago area. The company provides translation, transcription, subtitles, voiceover, and interpretation services in over 75 languages. Jill Kushner Bishop, PhD, is the founder and CEO of Multilingual Connections. The company is passionate about connecting with people from different languages and cultures. The company is known for its ability to take on complex international research projects with confidence and provide great quality work in a short period of time. The company is transparent with its process and pricing, and provides outstanding customer service. And yes, Multilingual Connections is hiring freelance transcriptionists worldwide. Here's the job application process at Multilingual Connections. Step 1. Once you're on their website, click on the careers link located at the bottom of their website. You can find the link to their website in the description field of this video. Step 2. On their careers page, scroll down to see the Freelance Opportunities button. Take your time to browse through the different job listings. Look for positions like transcriptionist or freelance transcriber and click on the one that interests you the most. Step 3. For this tutorial, let's scroll down and click on US-based transcriptionist on the jobs page. Click on Learn More to see the detailed description of the position. Step 4. Scroll down at the end of the job description and click on the Apply to this job button. Step 5. On the job application page, fill out the online form. If you don't have any prior transcription experience, don't worry. You can mention any related skills or coursework you've completed. Step 6. Upload your resume and click on the Submit Your Application button. That's it. Easy does it. While you're waiting to hear back from the company, it's a good idea to start practicing your transcription skills. There are plenty of online resources and transcription software available that can help you improve your speed and accuracy. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Multilingual Connections pays their freelance transcriptionists per project, and they choose which projects to accept. However, there is no information available on how much they pay their freelance transcriptionists outside the US. You can send them an email if you want to learn more about the pay rates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more freelance career tips. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your transcription journey.